In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iMessage not working on your iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. If you're experiencing trouble with iMessage, there are a few steps you can take to potentially resolve these issues, and I'll guide you through them. First and foremost, let's start by checking your network connection. iMessage relies heavily on a strong internet connection, so ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi or that your mobile data is enabled. Without a proper connection, iMessage won't be able to send or receive messages effectively. You can check your network by opening up your Wi-Fi settings and confirming that you're connected to a stable network. Alternatively, if you're relying on cellular data, make sure that airplane mode is off and your cellular data is on. Next, if your network connection is stable but iMessage is still having issues, try restarting iMessage itself. To do this, head into your iPhone settings, go to Apps, and then select Messages. Here, you'll want to toggle iMessage off, wait a few seconds, and then toggle it back on. This simple reset can sometimes kickstart the app back into full working order, allowing your messages to start sending again. If restarting iMessage doesn't do the trick, the next step is to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a quick reboot of your device can resolve any temporary glitches or software issues you might be experiencing, including problems with iMessage. Simply power off your iPhone and then turn it back on after a few moments. Another aspect to investigate is your date and time settings. Head over to Settings, navigate to General, and then select Date and Time. Ensure that the Set Automatically option is turned on. Date and time discrepancies can create syncing issues with Apple's servers, potentially affecting iMessage functionality. If none of these steps resolve your issue, you might consider resetting your network settings. Be cautious with this step as it will remove all saved Wi-Fi passwords and cellular settings from your device. To proceed, go to Settings, then General, then scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choose Reset, followed by Reset Network Settings. This action can resolve underlying network issues that might be disrupting iMessage. Finally, you should always check for the latest iOS updates. Software updates often contain bug fixes and improvements. Access this by going to Settings, selecting General, and tapping on Software Update. If an update is available, make sure you install it. Before we conclude, it's worthwhile checking Apple's system status page. This will inform you of any ongoing iMessage issues on Apple's side, providing peace of mind that the problem isn't just on your end. By following these steps, you should hopefully be able to get your iMessage up and running again on your iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. Remember, these are common troubleshooting techniques that often solve the most frequent issues encountered. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps resolve your iMessage problem.